To determine if chicken is overcooked, several methods can be employed. First, a temperature check can be performed by inserting a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the chicken, typically the breast or thighs for a whole chicken, and sideways for thinner pieces like breasts. It's essential to avoid touching bones or fat with the thermometer and wait for a steady reading. Chicken is considered cooked when it reaches a temperature of 73.9 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. A lower temperature indicates undercooking, while a higher temperature suggests overcooking. Another approach is the texture test, which involves feeling the firmness of the chicken. As chicken cooks, it loses moisture and becomes tighter. By poking the thickest part of the chicken with no bone, you can determine if it has a firm, cooked texture. Cooked chicken feels firm and springs back when poked, in contrast to raw chicken, which feels rubbery. When biting into undercooked chicken, it tends to feel dense and snap in the mouth, whereas cooked chicken appears almost stringy and more fibrous. A visual inspection can also be used to check if the chicken is cooked. The juices collected on the cooking utensil, such as a dish or pan, can be examined. Clear juices indicate that the chicken is ready, while a pinkish or red color means it needs more cooking time. If no juices are visible, the chicken can be cut slightly at the thickest part. A cooked chicken should be opaque and white or slightly pink, with large translucent and pinkish colored areas indicating that it needs further cooking. Overcooking can be identified by excessive liquid in the pan, resulting from the chicken's muscles contracting and squeezing out moisture, leaving the chicken dry and lacking juiciness. By employing these methods, it's easy to determine if chicken is cooked or overcooked, ensuring a delicious and safe meal.